Hi everyone. Today we will learn something very interesting, right? The thing that we will learn very interesting is something called as friends, what you call something called as method overriding in Java. Okay, let me close this window from here because he's not able to recognize my command and all. So friends, today we will learn something called as method overriding in Java. Okay, so friends, just let me show you because yeah, let me close this from here and let me create a new project from IntelliJ IDEA. Yeah, new project I want to create this time, and let's say this time I'm creating a new project. So yeah, this is the location from my file and this is the IntelliJ IDEA, and yeah, Java file is loaded up here. So yeah, let me make one new project as Ashish. Okay, my real name is Ashish. Okay, so let's say I'm creating a new project of name as Ashish. Okay friends, so yeah, today I will teach you friends. So yeah, now he's asking me where he you want to create this, what you call, project. So I want to create a new window or I want to create it this window. Okay, let us make a new window. Let it be split screen because friends, the things are little bit nasty. All right friends, so friends, here also I can code, but I will not code here. I will click on src, right? I will click on src. I will make one Java class here friends. Okay, regarding overriding in Java. Okay, yeah, this is not a valid name because it should be overriding dot Java. All right, friends. Good evening, friends. How are you all? Friends, today we will learn about something called as method overriding in Java. Okay, what do I mean by method overriding? Okay, I have already explained you what is polymorphism. I have already explained you what is inheritance. Okay, so polymorphism is basically the continuation from the inheritance lecture, right? Now friends, I have also taught you what is method overloading. Okay, when it comes to method overloading, in that case we will never make the child classes. Okay, we will never derived classes we will not make. Okay, instead of derived class, what we will make is we will make just one simple blueprint class. In that blueprint class only I am just creating the two methods of same name but different functionality and all, right? So during compilation, that our jvm our jvm will check which addition I have to show first in the console window. Okay, so this is the concept of method, what you call, this is the that was the concept of method overloading. Okay, now when it comes to method overriding friends, in this case make we will make child classes. Yeah, we will make child classes absolutely well. So yeah, method overloading is for the compile time polymorphism, and this is compilation done, right? Now it is for the, what you call, runtime polymorphism friends. Okay, so yeah, let me start the session. So yeah, so friends, this is the public class of overriding. See, it goes by the name public overriding, so this should be never changed. If you're changing this file, you'll get a nice error. Okay, so it is better not to change this file. I have made a fresh file in front of you. Okay friends, so yeah, let me teach you what do you mean by method overriding in Java. Okay, yeah, this is also known as method, this is also known as um, what you call runtime polymorphism, right? Runtime polymorphism, right? And yeah, I know there are many good people also who don't even know the meaning of compilation and runtime also. For them, let me tell you what do I mean by compile time and what do I mean by runtime. Okay, with respect to Java. See friends, when I'm saying about compile time means friends, whatever source code you are writing, I have already said you directly here. We are not in Java. We are not going to the machine code and all. Firstly, intermediate stage we are achieving. That intermediate stage is known as friends the concept of compile time. Okay, whenever your source code is going, whenever your code is going from the stage from source code to bytecode, that stage is known as compile time in Java. Okay, and yeah, runtime means, that is, we will learn today, we will learn about runtime only, right? Runtime polymorphism. Runtime means whenever your code is traversing or going from what you call byte code to machine code or a computer understandable code, that stage is known as, friends, the concept of runtime. Okay, so friends, today we will learn about something called as runtime polymorphism, or nothing but method overriding. Okay, let me create some classes in front of you, and in that classes, I will just define one method, one same method. I have already said you what is polymorphism. Polymorphism means, friends, the method throughout the different classes, they are absolutely same. Okay, but when it comes to their definition, when it comes to their declaration, that method is behaving in a different way. Okay, so this is the meaning of compilation, what you call polymorphism. Okay, and yeah, we are learning this. We are we have already covered polymorphism and all. We are learning in advanced stage of polymorphism known as overriding. Okay, so friends, in front of you I will create two classes. I will create, because here I have to show inheritance. So I will create two classes in front of you, and I will now access, I will make the objects for those classes, and I will call the properties of those classes inside the main class of overriding. Okay, friends. So yeah, let me make a class of, let's say, animal, right? So animal. Okay, so I'm creating the class of animal. You can see animals are angry only. Okay, so class of animal, and inside the class of animal, let me create one method. Okay, and that method should compulsorily should be same of the inherited class. Okay, that then only polymorphism is having the meaning. Okay, let's say I'm creating a method of, very simple method. I will create void animal sound. Okay, he is not returning me anything, that's why close this round brace as well, follow him. All right, friends, so south, let me do the south of, let us create south of, this is animal sound. Okay, so this is now nothing but the animal sound. Okay, friends, so this is, I have completely defined the animal class. Okay, I can define more things also here, but I am not defining. I am limiting my animal class till here only with one method only. Okay, now friends, I will make one inheritance, I will make one generation of animal. Okay, so I will make a child class also, I can say, right? I will make one child class for animal. I will make one child class for animal as, let's say, class, lion, right? Let it be lion, which is extending from animal. Okay, so lion class is what? It is basically the child class of animal. Okay, so animal will be the parent for lion. Okay, we can say like this. Okay, now friends, inside the lion class, I will create the same method. Okay, I will create the same method of animal sound. Okay, let me create now void animal sound. But friends, when it comes to defining this method, when it comes to defining this method, I will define this time this method in a separate way. No doubt, when it comes to defining the animal, when it comes to giving the name for the methods, they both methods are absolutely same. But when it comes to defining this method, I am defining this method in a very separate way, in a separate, well, defining when it is separate. Okay, this is only the meaning of polymorphism. No, I have taught you what is polymorphism. In front of your girlfriend, your behavior is different. In front of your other girlfriend, your behavior is different. Okay, in front of your parents, your behavior is different. But you are only one. No, how many different personalities you are having? Think like this, friends. Okay, so friends, void animal sound, when it comes to defining this method, this is the method from lion class. You tell me, how is the lion sound? Lion never sounds, right? Lion just roars. Okay, I just roar. I just roar. Okay, who is telling this? Lion is telling this. Okay, friends. So yeah, friends, so I have defined the two blueprint classes, and one blueprint class is basically the child class of the parent class. Okay, this is it, friends. Okay, so this is the concept of inheritance. I have already said you, in method overriding, inheritance will work. All right, friends. Now, friends, I will show you the magic of method overriding. I will also show you how method overriding works. Okay, let me now make the object. Let me now make the object for animal. Okay, animal A equal to new keyword of Java, somewhere in the heap area, the things for animal got created. Okay, now friends, I will not call the animal sound. Okay, directly what I will do is I will make the object for lion, and I will directly call the animal sound l dot lion animal sound I will call. Then I will ask you question, which method will run. Okay, I will ask question like this to you. Okay, friends. So yeah, let me now make the object for lion l equal to new keyword of Java. Again, new keyword of Java only, no friends. Lion, the object got created, friends. Okay. Now, friends, call. I will call the animal somewhere. Either is yeah. One thing. How can I you know what, friends? Forget the main method of Java. Okay. Control copy. All right, friends. So yeah. So friends, I got so much excited, I forget the main method only. Right, friends? Now, friends, I will show you. Now, I will call, friends, L dot animal sound. Okay. Now, friends, I will ask a question to you. Okay. I will ask a question. Now, question to you guys is, you tell me, friends, this method name is also animal sound, right? In the animal class, right? And this in the inside the lion class, this is also same method. Okay. Now, question to you is, which method I will get answer for. What answer I will get? I will get answer as this as animal sound, or I will get answer as I just roar. Okay, which what answer I will get? Okay, friends. So friends, the answer that you will get is this answer. Okay, I just roar answer that you will only get this. Okay, you will get only this answer as I just roar. Okay, because here overriding is happening. Okay, skipness part is happening. Okay, I have never called a dot animal sound, right? I have called l dot animal sound. L dot animal sound means I have called the animal sound. I have called the method for animal sound, right? For lion class, I have called the animal sound function. So that is why here overriding is happening. Overriding means anybody who's from Chennai, they can relate, right? Often we used to go to our offices and all in Chennai Central and all by local trains, right? So in local trains, there are some special categories of local trains we have in Chennai is nothing but known as the express trains, right? The fast trains that we have in Chennai. Okay, known as Arakodam Fast and all. Okay, Arakodam Fast train is the special train which shuttles between Arakodam Junction and Chennai Central. Okay, they never stops between the stations. Such stations is there between all those stations of Ambattur, Avadi and all. Okay, because it is a express train sort of a thing. Okay, let's say imagine JVM as a Arakodam fast train. Okay, and he is coming like this from Chennai Central. He is coming like this. Okay, he will never stops here. Okay, he will directly stop here only. Okay, this is the official stop of Arakodam fast train. Okay, like this also you can think. Okay, which means that when I am calling the L dot animal sound, this method will run. Overriding is happening here, friends. Overriding means skipping the animal sound method of animal class. Okay, directly this sound will I will get the answer for this only. Okay, let me show you the execution, right? Because I have talked a lot. I have talked a lot. Okay, let me show you time. Please, IntelliJ idea never gives me up. So friends, let us see the output. Okay, I have already spoiled one recording because of this this feature of loading classes and all. So I think I will get the answer, right? So friends, this you will get answer as this only, right? L dot, what you will get? You will get answer as L dot, you will get answer like I just roar only. Okay, friends, this is what you will get as answer. Okay. Load fast. So friends, this is the meaning of method overriding in Java. Okay, overriding means, friends, here inheritance will work. Whereas in the case of overloading, method overloading, in that case only one class we are having, one blueprint class we are having. In that case, what you call the concept of inheritance is not there. Okay, but in the class of, public class of overloading, we are having a different methods. Okay, different methods mean the method name is exactly same only, but that methods, they have a different properties of definition, right? Let's say double add and integer add. Okay, now during compilation in overloading case I'm telling, our compiler will think that our computer and the compiler will think that which method I should show the result first to the user. Okay, whether it is what you call double add or integer add. Okay, so based on your demand you will get the answer in that case. Okay, and that happens for compile time. And in the case of inheritance, in the case of method overriding, the answer that you will get is, here inheritance will work, here child class and parent class is there. Okay, here the second method of the child class will run, okay, after making the object for that. Okay, so this is the meaning of over. Yeah, quickly show me, right? I will do like this. Okay, overriding. Okay, overriding. So friends, the answer is in front of you. Yeah, I just wrote the jungle. Okay, feeder up the in the jungle. Stretch to top. No, I want to show you guys on the right top of the terminal. Okay, so friends, this is the concept of method overriding in Java. Okay, sorry for the delay. This is not my mistake. I have already finished you the teaching and all. I have created the file. I have taught you, right? But it is their fault, right? They are just delaying in order to show the answer. Okay, so friends, this is the concept of method overriding in in polymorphism concept in Java. Okay, friends, do one thing. What you will do now? Okay, try to think how method overriding works in Java. Okay, I have taught you, friends. Okay, so friends, thank you very much for being with me. I have taken 17 minutes in order to explain this concept, but I am telling you, this video will be the best in the internet. Okay, in the YouTube, right? I will upload this video in the YouTube. Okay, thank you very much, friends. This is your host Falcon 227, ready to leave from runway to L. Bye, friends. Okay, the answer is in front of you. Again, he is building what I also don't know. Okay, I have clicked he only show me the answer, but again he's running only, right? I think something else is executing the answer. Okay, so friends, this is the concept of method overriding in Java that I explained in front of you. Okay, friends, thank you very much, friends, for being with me. Interviewer can confuse you. Okay, I'm again telling the in interview they will definitely confuse you. Okay, they will confuse you. You know what they will say, that they will make you confused and they will say you that in method overloading inheritance is there. Okay, and in method overriding inheritance will not work. Okay, like this they can confuse you. But if you have studied from me, you will immediately cross question that guy, and you will say him that, sir, you are wrong. Okay, no, you are not. Yeah, you are not wrong, because you are th- putting a question to me in such a way that I give up. But I studied from Lethargic Mathematician YouTube channel. Okay, that guy told me that in method overloading inheritance is not there, in method overriding inheritance is there. Okay, so this is the concept of method, what you call, overriding. Okay, so always be prepare yourself likewise also, friends. Okay, so this is the concept of method overriding and method overloading also I have told you. Okay, in Java. Okay, thank you, friends, and yeah, make your notes, prepare your topic, if possible make video on your own. Okay, and tag me on Instagram. Okay, I'm not in Instagram. Tag me on YouTube, sorry, LinkedIn and all. Okay, LinkedIn is more cool, better form of Instagram. Okay, so friends, thank you very much. Bye, friends, take care. Okay, prepare your topics perfectly. Okay, thank you, bye.